What's up, y'all? I'm Average DIY Dad.
And today we're going to talk about the safe T switch on your air conditioner. When the safe T switch engages, it kills power to your thermostat, causing your air conditioner not to work. It uses a float valve design that floats to the top of the pipe in the event of an overflow at your AC drainage system. When it floats to the top, it triggers the kill switch. When that happens, you can connect the high pressure water hose to this pipe. Use a high pressure water hose to blow the blockage out the other side. This is the other side. Your AC drains through this pipe, but sometimes it gets stepped on, buried by the water hose, or by a pat if you have a pat, or if you're mowing the grass. And when it gets buried, it face plants and the blockage occurs. When that blockage occurs, your drainage backs up and the safety valve overflows, and that's where you have a problem.
This is DIY Dad.
If you found this video informational, please like and subscribe to Average DIY Dad on YouTube.